Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Hello everyone. I wasn't sure if people would be interested or not, but as I'm working on my KS4U design team project, I decided to go ahead and hit that record button in case people wanted to see how I decorated this box that I'm working on. I've been asked in the past from some of my various subscribers to do a few more tutorials, so I guess I am listening. And so I've already started this project a little bit, and I just thought I would finish it off with you guys. So I did start off with this Masquerade graphic 45 paper. It's called Midnight Masquerade. It's beautiful paper. It's in purples and teals and oranges are kind of the main colors. And so I have just the background solid paper and the decorative one, and then I also have some cardstock that I've used. And so what I'm working on is a box, and it is quite large. It's a paper mache box, and with the cover on, it does measure 9 by a little over 8.5, so 8 3/4 this way, so that the top again would be 8 3/4 by 9, if you're wondering about what the dimensions are. So what I've gone ahead and did off camera is I started off with the purple cardstock, and I attached it to the box, and then I cut down the graphic 45 paper and layered it and attached it to the box on the tops and the sides. And so my next plan kind of is to, chose this image kind of as my main one to use on the top of the box. And then I have 4 little cutout pieces that I will be putting on the side, on the 4 sides of the box. This one has the cute little mask. So that's my plan there. And then after I've attached all those, I'm going to be adding some of my Kraft Supplies for You design team products. And I'll just go over those real quick. I'm going to be using one of these masks on this project. It's kind of going to be my focus or my centerpiece on the top of the cover somewhere. And right now I'm leaning towards using the teal one just because there is already a lot of purple that I've used. And then I have a ton of flowers from Kraft Supplies for You that I'm going to be arranging on the different tops and sides of the box. And so I'm just going to show you guys some of those. She does have a wonderful variety of flowers in her store at Kraft Supply for You. So here's some different purple ones. There's a lighter blue, turquoise one. There's a darker purple. Here's kind of a two-tone purple. And then since that paper collection does have some orange in it, I will also be using some orange flowers on the project. Trim from Kraft Supplies for You that I will be using is this gorgeous trim right here, this gathered kind of organza trim with a ribbon through the middle of it. It's pleated, beautiful trim. Also we'll be using this trim right here. It's a braided trim. And I'm not sure yet, but these are Kraft Supply for You. I've had these in my stash from before, some little butterflies. I might add one of these onto the top of the box. I haven't decided yet. And I will probably be adding some of these little pearl sprays, which are also Kraft Supply for You, onto the box and my little flower arrangement that I plan on doing. And then other things from my stash that I will most likely be using is I'm thinking I'm going to be using these, which is just little flower sprays like this with tulle wrapped around them. I just had these in my stash for a while, so it might be nice to use those because I think they match. And then the only other thing that I pulled out from my stash, and I'm not sure which way I'm leaning yet, but I either have this purple mesh bling or this crystal colored one, silver. And I'm thinking I'm going to cut up a strip and use it in the middle of this. And these are from my stash, but just so you guys know, at Kraft Supplies for You, she does carry mesh bling in a wide variety of colors. So if you're just starting out on this project and you don't have any of this already in your stash, you definitely can pick up a very similar product at Kraft Supply for You, except for I think hers are in bigger sheets. I just wanted to thank everybody again so much for watching my video today. And here's kind of one last final peek of the box. Just kind of looking at it head on, all the gorgeous little flowers we added and the trims. So again, here's a little peek at the top, the finished cover. I really love how this turned out with the mask and all the pretty flowers, the feather and the tulle and the bead sprays, the little flower cluster up here with the butterfly. I love how all these flowers coordinated so nicely with this paper collection with the purples and the teals and the oranges. And then I really love at the end how I added the little mysterious to kind of set it off a little bit more. And then also the little flat back pearls up in the corner. I guess not pearls, but flat back bling. So again, thank you so much everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy crafting.